Hello, mathematicians. In this lesson, we're going to be learning how to measure with feet and yards. You will need a ruler and a yardstick today. Why are we learning this? We are learning so that we can compare measurements and choose the very best tool for what we need to measure. Now remember that there are 12 inches in 1 foot. There are also 3 feet in 1 yard, or 36 inches in 1 yard. That's a lot of inches. Now for this part, just watch. You'll get to think and help me with the next one. Joseph just got a new bed. He wants to measure how long it is. Will he need fewer feet or yards? Well, I have to think which one is bigger, because I know that the bigger unit, you're going to need fewer of those. So I think he's going to need fewer yards, because I know that yards are bigger than feet. Let's see, his bed is 2 yards long and 6 feet long. So it looks like I was right, that he needs fewer yards to measure his bed. Let's do the next problem together. Hannah and Gino need to measure a blanket for the front of their tent. Hannah thinks they will need more feet. Gino thinks they will need more yards. Who is right? Well, for this one, I can look at my yardstick and look at my ruler, which is 1 foot. Do you think they will need more feet or more yards? I think they're going to need more feet because 1 foot is a lot smaller than 1 yard. Let's see if it's right. They need 2 yards or 7 feet. So it looks like Hannah is right. They need more feet and fewer yards. This is our last question. Pause the video and see if you can do it on your own after I read the question. Miguel and Ansley are building a fort between their houses. They need to measure boards for the roof. Will they need more feet or yards to measure the roof? What do you think? It took 3 yards to make the length of the roof and 9 feet. So they need more feet than yards to measure the length of their roof. You knocked my socks off, mathematicians. Fantastic job, and now you know how to measure with feet and yards. See you next time.